Ready to turn in? Your sleepy time Long Island iced tea is ready.
Nah, that's a little heavy before bed. I'll just soda stream some Fireball.
When did my husband become such a bitch? Seems like he needs some less these days.
The National Weather Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Texas, south central Liberty County in southeastern Texas, and northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 5:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:22 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm